Ecwid tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a tutorial of ecwid.com and how you can start selling online for free on Ecwid. So let's get into it. Ecwid is an e-commerce marketplace where you can create your own store and you can start selling any product that you have. So you can see that this is the main page of Ecwid. When you open ecwid.com, this is the landing page where you're gonna get. Here you can see that you have an option to sell, you have an option to market, and you can also manage. Get started for free for the starting. We are putting free trials on trial. With Ecwid, you get free forever. Set up your free account once and keep it as long as you like. So here you can see that you can sell anywhere. Your free online store is just a few clicks away. Okay, you can grow faster and you can also manage the simply all of the things. So there is live support, there is Ecwid market app, and manage on mobile. These are all the things that are available. So let me show you the pricing plans of Ecwid and then we can get started for free. Okay, so the first plan, there is a plan that is available for free, and you can see that easy online store to launch your business for free. And there is a venture plan for $14.8, and you can sell 100 products, sell e-goods and discount coupons. You can get live chat, etc. Then there's a business plan for $29.08 with 2,500 products and self subscriptions, staff accounts, etc. And then you have an unlimited account for $82.50, and you can get unlimited products on this. And there are also a couple of features that you're going to get on all of these, and you can check them out depending upon your own type, your own needs. So let me go back and I can just going to click on get started for free. I'm going to create my own account because I'm just going to show you the whole process of how you can create an account on Ecwid as well. It is very easy because, as you know, it is free. What you can do is you can simply sign up with Google, and after that you can continue with creating your store on Ecwid. Let me just complete the sign up process and then I'm going to get back to you guys. Okay, so here we are on Ecwid. As you can see, I'm already logged in and they have given me a store. They have created the store for me because depending upon the type of the products that I am selling, these were beauty products, so that's why my stores look something like this. So now here you can see there are a couple of things that you can work on. You have your dashboard, then you have your sales, orders, abandoned carts, customers, order editor, then you have your catalog, your products, your categories, your gift cards, then you have your marketing, your Google ads, Facebook ads, discount coupons, automatic discounts, newsletters, everything. And then you have your reports. It is going to analyze all of your data coming through your website, the orders that you're getting, the missed orders and everything. It is going to rationalize and basically interpret all the data that is coming, the customer engagement actually. Then you have your sales channel, your overview, your website design, domain, SEO, your Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, mobile, other channels. And then you have your design and your payment, your shipping and pickup, settings, apps, and your own profile. So these are all the things that you have on Ecwid, and as you can see, they are very detailed and you can change everything. You can go through everything separately, and everything is it looks very professional. It looks really great. So now if we start talking about the website, here you can see that this is the main website, and then you have your different themes, your domain and storefront. Then you can also edit your website from this option right here. So I'm just going to click on that. Okay, so here you can see that this is the main website, and this is how it looks like right now, because this is you can see a pre-built template that I'm choosing. They have assigned it to me themselves. Then you have your themes. When you click on that, you're going to get different themes. You can basically go on and select a different theme if you want to. Choose a design depending upon, this is Kiki fashion, healing tree, playroom, garden, sound on. So depending upon the things that I'm selling, so I'm selling services of health and beauty, so I'm just going into that. So here you can see that I have a healing tree, I have sages, ginger, and happy skin. So this is the theme that I'm using right now. So I guess I'm just gonna go with this one because it looks fine to me. The next thing is that you can go on and see change all of these things. You have your headline and cover image, then you have your main story, your company's missions, customer testimonials, about location and contact information. Go into your headline and cover image. So the headline is Scandinavian Biolabs. I'm just going to change the headline to store by MN. That is the name of my store. I'm just going to name it that. And then I have, okay, so the next thing is basically the description. Hair care formula for growth and strength, just let it be. I'm just going to strength, and let's say I want to add something and beauty, just for the sake of it. Okay, strength and beauty. So here you can see that your cover layout, then you have your cover layout full screen, right sidebar. If you change it, it's gonna look something like this. Then you have your left sidebar, it's gonna look like this. Half screen, it's gonna look like this. Your half screen text below, it's gonna look like this. In top menu, and there is no cover at all. So these are all the things that you can choose from. You can basically select the layouts, I guess. right sidebar is it looks good, it looks more professional, so I'm just going to go with this one. Then you have your background image. You can change your background image as well. I'm just going to click on this option, background options, and you can see that I pick from the gallery. Obviously I am not going to upload right now, so I'm just going to pick from the gallery. Let's say I'm going to go into the health and beauty field, and in there I'm going to find something that is related to this. Let's say I want to change it to this one, because that one, just for the sake of it, I'm just going to showing you that you can change your image. So as you can see that it looks much it looks good. The previous one was looking good as well, but it looks good as well. So cover overlay, just overlay for your cover to make the text to read easy. You can assign, we make the cover a little bit, trendy, a little bit different, so that the text are written, if the text is written on the cover, it can be read easily. So you can go on and choose the original one, or you can do and go on and choose one of these, like these colored one, these transitioned ones. So I'm just going to go with this one. And after that you have a set of a custom overlay. I'm just not going to do that. Okay, so you can click on save, and you have got your background and your cover and your main page ready. Okay, so the next thing is to work on your store. So go on into your store, and here you can see that thumb size, nail, medium or large. This is going to be the image of your products, that how they're going to show. Then you have a thumbnail aspect ratio. Right now it is 1:1. Let's say 4:3. It's going to look like that. And then you have your text alignment, left, right, justify this. Let's say I want to justify my text, and it's going to look like this. Okay, then you have a product card border. When you click on that, you want a card border or not, you can depend upon that. So I'm just going to add my card border. One page product catalog, why chooses, you can see the one page product catalog. When you're gonna go on into the store, then you're gonna see the store, otherwise you're not gonna see them. So this is one page product catalog. You can turn it on or off depending upon. Then you have your appearance options, product list and categories, product name, and everything you want to show this or not, product page and miscellaneous. So these are all the things that you can work on. Go back. Then you have your company's mission, customer testimonials, location, and everything. So you can arrange the sections if you want to, and this is how you're gonna stay in. After you are done with everything, you can go around your store. You can see this is your store. Okay, so after you're done with everything, you can view your store right here. You can see your products, your why you choose your company's mission. Then you have some of your customer testimonials. Then you have your about section, then you have your about us, and then you have your location, and then contact us. So this is how your website is going to look like. Now if you want to add products to your website, then you have to go on to Ecwid control panel, the dashboard, and in there you're going to find your catalog, and in there you're going to find your products. And in your products you can update new products. You can remove the products that are already listed there, and you can add new products. It is very easy. Like for example, this is sample eyelash growth serum. You can just go on, click on this option right here, and you can add images to this product. You can edit the options, you can upload files, or you can delete the product, all it is, if you want to. And then you can click on this option to add a new product, and you can add images, main image, different angles, close up, in use. You can add pricing, you can add name, you can add SKU, weight, etc. You can add a description, what this product is going to do for you, it is in stock or not. And then just click on the preview product, and then you can click on save, and this product is going to be saved for you. And you can add attributes, options, flies, shipping and pickup, SEO related products, and buy new now button to this product as well. So this is this is where you can add products, add the product into your, and you can also import or export the products. You can export all, or you can import the products from different websites. Like for example, if you have a Shopify store, if you're doing a drop shipping account or a business, you can import your products from anywhere that you want. So this is that. And then you have your marketing reports and everything. Your website, you can handle your Instagram, Facebook, TikTok as well. So this is the main basic of Ecwid. You can do a lot of stuff on Ecwid, and Ecwid is really professional. So you can just go on, check it out, create your own store, and work around with things, play along with things, and you're gonna get really good store out of it. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.